All right, here we have our suede auto headliner. This is awesome fabric. This fabric comes in a 98-inch by 60-inch roll. Awesome. It has a foam backing, so it's going to be great for any headliner for your car, any home DIY projects. It is very awesome. And as you can see, the suede, the faux suede, is really nice and is smooth. And as you can see, this is the black option. Absolutely love this. It looks so good. You can see the finger marks on there when you touch it, just like suede. Is very awesome. The packaging that this comes in is awesome, and you can see that it is nice and smooth and it's rolled out because that foam keeps it nice and smooth. You don't even have to iron any of this. It's a great feature. So if you're looking for the perfect suede headliner, this is the one for you. I give this a 5-star out of 5-star review.